Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ray. Today we're going to visit the Cube O Discovery Park. This Cube O Discovery Park is the first jellyfish-themed aquarium in Hong Kong, and the first attraction here is called the Cylinder Mirror Maze. You can see so many jellyfish living inside these cylinders, which are equipped with some fancy light and shadow effects. Right now, we're at the Jellyfish Feeding Experience workshop, which I highly recommend for you to join. In this workshop, visitors can have a chance to feed the jellyfish with some brine shrimp by using the test dropper. At the same time, the instructor will also explain us more knowledge about the jellyfish eating habit. Here's the jellyfish laboratory, which shows you the life cycle of the sea jelly. And you can actually see the real jellyfish, which are in different stages of their life. The first one is the Cyphistoma placed under the microscope. And the second one is the Ephira placed under the microscope. Here are some Cyphistoma living in the jellyfish tank. The white colored tiny creature here is the Ephira. And in the last tank, you can see the young adult jellyfish. In this laboratory, we can also learn more about the life cycle of the brine shrimp. The brine shrimp is the main source of food for jellyfish. These tiny black dots here are the brine shrimp eggs. Here are the younger brine shrimp. And we have some adult brine shrimp under this microscope. And of course, then what types of jellyfish could be found in here? This is a marble jellyfish, which could mainly found in the Western Atlantic Ocean. Here we have some Cassiopeia Andromeda, and many people called it the upside-down jellyfish. In this 40 meters long corridor, we can see much more different species of jellyfish. Here are some more marbled jellyfish living in this big tank. At the end of the Discovery Park, you can also find an ocean-themed play space. The dining area is right next to the play space, so parents can sit down and take a break. Thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe if you like this video.